Hi friend, welcome to the daily quiz. In this video, test your observation skill. Can you find the odd number and letter within given time? There are three levels: easy, medium, hard. Are you ready? Let's go. Anybody can find 56 between 65 within 15 seconds. Hey my new viewer, you found it? Come on, time is over. Amazing, that's the number 56. Hey, are you quizmaster? Can you find 05 among 50 within time? Hey, where my quiz lover? You found it? Come on, time is over. Good job, that's the odd number. How good are your eyes? Can you find the odd emoji within given time? Come on, time is over. Amazing, that's one the odd emoji. Hey my genius viewer, challenge yourself. Can you find the odd letter EJ within 15 seconds? Super, that's the odd letter. Hello my audience, test your eagle eyes. Can you find the odd number 78 among 87? Hey my honorable viewer, you found it? Come on, time is over. Super, that's the number. Hey my regular viewer, spot the odd emoji within 15 seconds. Good job, that's one the odd emoji. Hello my smart viewer, spot the odd number 92 between 29 within time. Good job, you found it. Test your observation skills. Can you find the odd emoji within given time? Amazing, you capture the odd emoji. Hey viewer, check your brain. Can you find the odd letter BV within time? Excellent work, my viewer. You catch it. Hey viewer, in this quiz, we test your eyes. Can you find the odd letter NJ within time? Hey viewer, hurry up. Time is over. Good job. That's the letter NJ. Test your visual skills. Can you find the odd heart emoji within time frame? My question is very hard, but my viewer is very genius. Come on, genius, time is over. Good job, this one is the right emoji. Anybody can find the combination of number and letter like 3G. Good job. That's the combination of number and letter. Next, medium level start. Hello my genius viewer, find the odd letter VI3 within 15 seconds. Amazing, that's the odd letter. Hey viewer, find the odd number 003 among 300. Time is up. Excellent. This one is the right answer. Hello my smart viewer. This was impossible to find the odd letter AFD within time. I know this was impossible, but you found it. Hello my genius viewer, can you find the odd one KZM within 15 seconds? Come fast viewer, time is over. Super, this one is the odd one. Hello genius, can you find the odd letter within time? My question is very hard, but my viewer is very genius. Come on genius, time is up. Genius, you are sharp mind, you found it. Hello my senior viewer, which one is the unique vehicle in the below vehicles? Amazing, this one is the unique vehicle. Only the smart guys can find the odd number 579 within time frame. Amazing, this one is the odd number. Can you pick the odd one letter within time? Brilliant, you picked the odd letter in time. Hey viewer, one letter is different in the below letters. Can you find in time? Come on viewer. Brilliant viewer, that's one the different letter. Hello my genius viewer, one number is different. Can you find the odd number within given time? Good job, this number is different from another. Hey viewer, check your sharp eyes. Can you find the odd emoji within 15 seconds? Amazing, you have a sharp eyes. Hey viewer, check your brain. Can you find the odd Romy emoji within time? Good job, that's one the odd emoji. Medium level done, hard level start. Can you spot the odd number within 15 seconds? Amazing viewer, you passed the first puzzle of the hard level. Hey viewer, check your IQ level. Can you find the odd number 5310 within time? Amazing, your IQ level is good. Test your eyes. Can you find the odd letter within 15 seconds? Super, that's the odd letter. Are you focus master? Can you find the odd number within time? Amazing viewer, that's the different number. Hello my genius viewer, test your observation skills. Can you find the odd letter within given time frame? Amazing, your self-attitude is perfect. Hey genius, can you find the odd one within time? Super, that's the number. Only the sharp eyes can find the odd emoji within time. Amazing, you have a sharp eyes. Hello my genius viewer, identify the odd number 7376. Good job, you identified the odd number. Test your visual skills. Can you find the odd emoji within time? Your visual skills work is good. Hello guys, check your brain. Can you find the odd letter FDKU within time? Vivo, your brain performance is awesome. Test your brain power. Can you find the odd number 8310 within time? Good job, your brain is perfect. This quiz is specially for animal lover. Can you see it, the odd emoji within time? Amazing, that's one the odd emoji. In the last question of the hard level, test your brain. Can you find the odd letter within time? Brilliant! You passed the last question of the hard level. Please like and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share your score in the comment box. Thanks for watching.